guys, and welcome to Epcot. We are about to have a really enjoyable evening here at Epcot, and we have been deciding here, trying to decide if we're going to go over to Magic Kingdom for the extra magic hours for deluxe resort guests. I believe it's for 2 hours tonight between 10 p.m. and midnight, but we'll see. We're kind of adjusting to being up so late every day. It is officially Flower and Garden, so there are a ton of people here. There are a ton of creators here. Everybody's excited to see all the new topiaries, all the new food booths, all the new merch. We just stood in a quick little line to get into Connections to see all the exclusive merch for the 2024 Flower and Garden. But we have about 20 minutes for us to get to the front of the park, and then we're going to get all the way into Japan and go to hibachi. And we have not done that here in Walt Disney World, so I'm excited to bring you guys along and try it. But we have about 20 minutes. We're going to go walk into World Showcase and have a really, really good lunch. Well, that was a really good lunch. I will say it's a really fun experience to do. I didn't want to talk too much while I was in there just because we were with another DVC family. But I didn't want to like have it, interrupt their time. They were there with their 2 kids on their vacation, so I didn't want to go ahead and vlog, and I just wanted to share I just wanted to be able to share little bits and pieces. Sorry, it is a little windy today. The food was very good though. My husband and I shared the chicken and the steak, and then we upgraded and added shrimp. The shrimp was very good. The flavor was all very good. I really enjoyed it. I wouldn't say it's something that I'm gonna do all the time, maybe a little treat, but I did really enjoy it. I will say that. Also too, it was my son's birthday the other month, so we did this was like his little Disney birthday dinner. We always do that for the kids when we're here around their birthday month, so we did that for him. But it was very good. And then also too, for dessert, we have a little bit of time until we go over to Frozen, so I went and grabbed some of the fruit sushi, the frushi. I've always wanted to try it, and it was okay. I tried 2 of them. It wasn't my favorite, but it was also warmer, and I know it's supposed to be a little bit more chilled, or at least that's what I'm remembering, that it's supposed to be more chilled, but it was still very good. So we still have a little bit of time. We're gonna head over to Norway. I'm gonna go to Camilla Bakery and see if my troll horn is back, because I still have a little craving for a dessert. I can see Norway from here, and I can see that it's very busy. So I think that'll take up the last bit of our time before we can go and jump on Frozen. And then also too, I picked up a Soarin, and it's basically for right now, and I keep modifying it. There's tons of openings for Soarin today for Lightning Lane, so I just have to keep modifying it every 15-20 minutes because nobody's picking it up, and I want it for in an hour from now, but no big deal. But yeah, it's all in all really good. And then also too, I would recommend sharing if you're doing it as a lunch, because I don't feel bogged down. The noodles were very good. It was a leaner meal, and it didn't have too much oils or anything, so it doesn't feel too heavy. But I didn't want to be super full, so that's why we shared. And I would definitely recommend that. But let's head to Norway. Let's see if we can grab a troll horn. Otherwise, I'll at least get a Viking coffee, because you guys know that's just my favorite.
There's This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. A good day to tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. It's a good
It has been so warm and busy today, but it has been packed with really great memories and fun. I've been kind of taking the time while it's been so hot and crowded to just hang out with the family and kind of figure out our day and get through the lightning lanes and the crowds. It's been tricky, but we've been having a really great time. So where did I last leave off with you guys? I think we were in Japan after lunch. After that, we went to go get to Kringla Bakery, and we had a frozen Viking coffee, and then a Norway Kringla, I think is what it was called, and it was very good. It was like a pastry dish. It was more doughy than like croissant taste wise, if that kind of makes sense. And then my frozen coffee, you guys know it is a staple for me. I can't not get it. So I wanted to try something new. This whole trip I feel has been themed with different new things, but still getting the things that I love in between. So the frozen Viking coffee is definitely one of them. And then where did we go? I think we went to Guardians after that. Guardians was amazing. We got conga, which was I think my second time getting conga. And then we decided to come over to the land pavilion, and we just did Soarin', and now it is back to Soarin' around the world instead of Soarin' over California. I asked the kids, I said, which do you like better? And they both said they like Soarin' over the world better. I think it's just because it transitions and there's little jumps a little bit more. It's a little fresher for them. And it's now what they have grown up with. This was getting to be their first time that they were ever seeing Soarin' over California when we were here the other day. I also did, I'm so happy. I think I told you guys earlier that there is the extra magic hours for a deluxe resort guest tonight at Magic Kingdom. I was able to secure a boarding group for Tron, so I'm really happy about that. It should be for much later. Right now there's about 40 plus boarding groups that they need to call. So I'm still thinking it's going to be towards the later part of the night. I don't know if it's going to be close to the 10 o'clock when that extended hours starts. But we have Remy at about just after 8 o'clock. So I think after Remy, we're going to go jump on the monorail and head over to Magic Kingdom. So in case I don't check in during all of that, we're going to go jump on a few rides and then have something to eat, go over to Remy, and then head to Magic Kingdom.
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me, we could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind.
So this is what we got so far. The kids' meals, they got a cheeseburger and fry. And then it comes with two sides and a watermelon. So I picked the second side as a watermelon. This is a hamburger. And then I got a Coke. I got the ribs, and I picked the mac and cheese, and it still came with the Texas toast and a banana pudding. And then my husband got the barbecue burger. Came with like a standard burger on Texas toast and onion ring, and then the burnt and baked beans.
You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me, we could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. We don't have to stay.
the night. We're actually gonna go to the Extra Magic Hours, but I'm gonna do it off camera. I haven't done Disney off camera in a long time. So I think I'm gonna take the next couple hours, go spend the time with them, go ride Tron with them, and just enjoy our time together. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that subscribe, turn that notification on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.